Minister Dharmendra Pradhan took oath amid sloganeering and shouts of NEET. What preceded the walk of shame are a slew of protests, grace marks, alleged paper leaks, re-exam schedules, and the Supreme Court's intervention concerning the National Testing Agency's handling of the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, which is caught in the eye of a storm in India over alleged irregularities.
पेपर लीक की हमारे पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है। मैंने उस रीट पिटीशन को अनुध्यान कराया, कोई भी एक भी जगह पे प्रमाण नहीं है। सरकार छात्रों के हितों को सुरक्षित करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है।
While the Education Minister denied allegations of paper leaks and maintained the government's commitment to ensure the interest of students, the CBI made its first arrest in the NEET UG paper leak case on June 27 after registering an FIR based on a complaint alleging certain isolated incidents occurring in a few states during the conduct of NEET UG 2024 examination on June 23.
एक एलिगेशन पेपर लीक हुआ, कहाँ है प्रमाण?
होश में आओ, होश में आओ। ये आपका फ्यूचर है, आपके फ्यूचर से खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा है। होश में आओ, होश में आओ, होश में आओ।
The NEET UG exam was conducted on May 5 across 4,750 centers with 24 lakh candidates appearing. The results, expected to be declared on June 14, were out on June 4 and raised eyebrows due to discrepancies. 67 candidates secured an absolute 720 out of 720, while only 2 applicants got an All India rank number 1 in 2023. The NTA addressed these issues on June 6, attributing them to compensatory marks to 1,563 candidates who faced time loss during the exams due to incorrect distribution of question papers. A petition filed in the Supreme Court by the student organizations sought direction to quash the NEET examination and hold a retest. On June 13, the centre told the Supreme Court that the grace marks would be cancelled and
23 जून को 1563 स्टूडेंट को दोबारा नीट एग्जामिनेशन का ऑप्शन उनके सामने दिया जाएगा। वो परीक्षा दे सकते हैं, नहीं तो जो उनको ओरिजिनल परीक्षा की जो नंबर है उनको वो परीक्षा उसको भी ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो अगर उनको उसमें ना देके और एक चांस लेना है तो वो 23 जून को एक बार परीक्षा भी दे सकते, जो चाहेगा।
The irregularities in the conduct of the examination and grace marks being provided arbitrarily. A bunch of petitions in the Supreme Court alleged question paper leaks.
देखो पेपर लीक की हमारे पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है। मैंने उस रीट पिटीशन को अनुध्यान कराया।
Around the same time, on June 19, the NTA declared UGC NET 2024 exam cancelled, saying the exam's integrity had been compromised.
It's an unfortunate decision, but we have to take to protect the future of our professionals, those who will be assistant professor, those who will be doing PhD. There must be a transparency. This question leak is a institutional failure from NTA. That's why we are assuring you there will be a reform committee, action will be taken, responsibility will be fixed.
Over 9 lakh candidates had appeared for the exam. Protests erupted across the country with student leaders, opposition party workers, and applicants alleging irregularities and malpractices in the conduct of 2 exams.
कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने यूक्रेन की लड़ाई रोक दी थी। मतलब एक ऑर्डर देके जो रूस और यूक्रेन के बीच में लड़ाई चल रही थी उसको रोक दिया था, ब्रेक लगा दी थी। इजराइल और गाजा के बीच में जो लड़ाई चल रही थी उसको भी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने रोक दिया था। मगर किसी ना किसी कारण जो हिंदुस्तान में पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं उसको नरेंद्र मोदी रोक नहीं पा रहे हैं या रोकना नहीं चाहते हैं।
जब आप लाखों बच्चों को सड़क पर देख रहे हैं और शिक्षा मंत्री क्लीन चिट देते हैं, बाद में हंगामा मचता है तो कहते हैं थोड़ी विसंगति है, फिर एक हाई पावर कमेटी, एक पूरी आप अगर टाइमलाइन देख लें, इससे स्पष्ट है कि पूरा का पूरा एग्जाम्स सारा कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा।
While the Education Minister maintained the sanctity of NTA and dismissed the question of paper leaks in the case of NEET, a couple of FIRs had already been registered in Bihar and Gujarat that alleged questions on paper leaks rigging. In Bihar's Patna, a junior engineer in the Water Resource Department, Sikandar Prasad Yadvendu, admitted to having arranged question papers for 4 exam aspirants, including his nephew, on May 4. This was just a day before NEET exam. In his confessional statement recorded on May 5, Yadvendu said that he got 4 aspirants in touch with Nitish Kumar and Amit Anand, who charged Rs 32 lakh per candidate for providing the question paper. Additionally, the Bihar Police's Economic Offences Unit's Director General said that an FIR was registered on the day NEET was conducted and 13 people were arrested. While arrests were made and FIRs were registered relating to paper rigging practices in Bihar, over 1600 km away in Gujarat's Kodhra, police booked 3 persons, including a school teacher, in an FIR registered on May 9 for an attempt to commit malpractice in the NEET examination. According to the FIR, a group of teachers at Jai Jalram School, an examination center for NEET, were paid by 27 students to fill blank answers left by them. Even as allegations were investigated and preliminary arrests took place in Gujarat and Bihar, the NTA and Education Minister continued to maintain that the examination had been conducted in a fair manner. The NTA's press release on the day of the exam had no mention of the developments in Gujarat and Bihar and did not mention the purported delay which led to the distribution of grace marks. The CBI on June 24 took over the investigation of 5 new cases of alleged malpractices that were being probed by the police in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Bihar.
इनमें रुकावट आए ये उचित नहीं है। इनमें शुचिता और पारदर्शिता बहुत जरूरी है। हाल ही में कुछ परीक्षाओं में हुई पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निष्पक्ष जांच और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिलवाने के लिए मेरी सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है।